So marvellous of you to join me. Please do subscribe because it does help me very much. Thank you. Hi there, thank you for joining me. I'm here at the Hair Tune-Up studio in Goodlettsville near Nashville. And I'm going to do a little video. Somebody commented on my video from a while back on the Ammoon Octa pedal, this beastie here, and they asked whether it would be any good for a soundscape. Now, a soundscape I'd never heard of up to that point, and so I looked it up, and basically a soundscape, from what I decipher, is it's like ambient music, kind of sort of thing that you would kind of fall asleep to, you know, kind of relaxed and chill, like, you know, sounds in the background and relaxed kind of thing. So, I mean, I have absolutely no experience in playing that kind of music, but I thought I'd plug it in for the gentleman and let him know so he can find out. His name is Gilberto Lobo. Gilberto Lobo, this is for you, my friend. Okay, well, here we go. It's a little ditty I thought I'd jam along to that I just play along with. See you. There you go. That must be the strangest thing I've ever played in my life. But I hope you enjoyed it. Well, wasn't that fun on a crazy, crazy afternoon? Thank you so much for joining the Devil Rider, man. I'm sure the lightning will get me very, very soon. So if you like, press like, do comment, let me know what you think. Am I crazy? Do share and do subscribe. Have a great day.